In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to old view in Adobe Acrobat. If the redesigned Acrobat interface feels unfamiliar or it's slowing down your workflow, you can switch back to the classic layout in just a moment. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so the change is smooth and you don't lose any work. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. It can be the standard Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. The process is the same. Give it a second to load your home screen or the last PDF you opened. Next, look to the top left corner of the window for the main application menu. Depending on your version, this may appear as a button labeled Menu or as a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the app controls. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Disable New Acrobat. Select it. This doesn't uninstall anything or change your documents, it simply tells Acrobat to stop using the new interface and to bring back the older, familiar view. If you don't immediately see the option, widen the window or scroll the menu. In some work environments, administrators manage this setting. In that case, you might need permission to change it. Also, if you're already using the classic view, the option may not appear. After you click Disable New Acrobat, Acrobat will prompt you to restart so the change can take effect. Before you proceed, save any open PDFs to avoid losing annotations or comments. When you're ready, click Restart. Acrobat will close briefly and then reopen on its own. When it comes back up, you'll be in the old view. You should notice the traditional toolbar layout across the top and the tools arranged more like earlier versions you may be used to. Your files, preferences, and recent documents remain exactly the same. Only the interface has changed. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, use the top left menu, choose Disable New Acrobat, and confirm the restart. If you ever want to try the modern experience again, you can return to that same menu and re-enable the new interface. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you get comfortable with the layout that works best for you. If the option doesn't appear or the restart doesn't apply the change, make sure Acrobat is up to date and try again.